In this video, you'll learn how to leave a review on Wecasa after completing your appointment. By following these steps, you will be able to provide feedback regarding your experience with the service you received. First, ensure that you have completed your appointment, as reviews can only be submitted after the session takes place. After your appointment, Wecasa will send you a satisfaction survey via email. This email typically arrives shortly after your session ends, allowing you to provide your feedback promptly. If you do not see the email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, as it may have been filtered there. Alternatively, you can find the satisfaction survey link in the Wecasa app. To access it, open the app and navigate to the My Appointment section. This section will display a list of your recent appointments where you can locate the relevant survey link. Once you have the survey link, click on it to open the satisfaction survey. The survey will prompt you to rate various aspects of your appointment, including punctuality, courtesy, quality of service, and the equipment used during the session. Make sure to provide thoughtful feedback in each category, as this information helps improve the service. After you have completed your ratings, you will have the option to leave additional comments if you choose. This section allows you to elaborate on your experience, providing more context for your ratings. Once you finish entering your feedback, you will next be prompted to choose the visibility of. You can select whether to make your review public, meaning it will be visible on the professional's profile, or to keep it private. This decision is important, as public reviews can help others make informed choices about the service provider. After making your selection, submit your review by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Submit or Send. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.